Today I'll be demonstrating an on-premise agent installation and configuration. To begin, we'll log into the application. We'll navigate into Connect. We'll go into the Agents section. Here you can see we have two clusters that have already been created. We'll install and configure a new agent under the Boston agents. We'll download the agent using the links provided. When the download is complete, we'll launch the installer. And we'll begin installation of the agent. We'll accept the license agreement. We'll use the default path for installation. We'll be doing today a complete install. Now we'll install and start the agent services. As a next step, we'll provide our credentials to be used by the agent to connect to the cloud. First, we'll supply the gateway URL. Next, we'll supply the tenant ID. Following that, we'll provide our user ID. And finally, we'll provide our password. We'll finalize the install. And we'll exit the installer. My environment requires a proxy server to connect to the internet. To set a proxy server in your environment, navigate to the installation directory where the agent was placed. Using the shortcut, open the admin UI. Log into the admin UI and navigate to Process Settings, Advanced, and choose the common category from the drop-down. Supply your proxy URL. And any other proxy settings you may require. In my case, I'm also going to supply a proxy bypass list. I'll confirm my settings are in place. Then I'll confirm that I've successfully retrieved an ID from the cloud. I'll switch to the Agent API category. I'll define settings for a specific server, and I'll see that I have successfully retrieved an ID, in this case of 279. Once I see that's happened on the agent admin, I can go back to the application. I can refresh my application, and I can see that I've already have one unassigned agent, the agent that we just registered. I'll assign that agent to a cluster, in this case my Boston Agents cluster, and now the agent is active against the system and ready to process data.